Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Welcome back. We have a very interesting and frequently asked question about magnetic fields. Let's dive right in. Here is the question on your screen. What is the pattern of the magnetic field produced inside a current-carrying solenoid? Take a look at the options. Does it look like option A, with straight parallel lines? Or option B, with circular loops? Maybe option C, where the lines curve outwards? Or option D, with multiple small circles? Take a moment to think about what happens inside a solenoid. Got an answer in mind? Great. Let's break this down step by step to see if you are right. First, let's visualize the setup. Look at this beautiful diagram of a solenoid. What exactly is a solenoid? Imagine taking a long insulated copper wire and winding it tightly into the shape of a cylinder, like a spring. That is a solenoid. Now, when we pass an electric current through this coil, magic happens. It behaves almost exactly like a standard bar magnet, with a north and south pole. But our question is specifically about the inside of the solenoid. Look closely at the field lines inside the coil. They are perfectly parallel, straight lines. Let's understand why this is so important. In physics, when magnetic field lines are straight and parallel, it tells us something crucial. It means the magnetic force is exactly the same at every single point in that region. In scientific terms, we call this a uniform magnetic field. It's a very stable, consistent field. Now, let's go back and evaluate our options based on what we just learned. Option A is the only one that perfectly shows these straight, parallel lines inside the coil. Options B, C, and D are incorrect because they show curved or circular loops inside, which contradicts the concept of a uniform field. Therefore, we can confidently say that option A is the correct answer. Excellent work. I hope this concept is crystal clear to you now. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!